Why are you researching your family history? The 2016 series of Who Do You Think You Are, that famous TV series on British TV. And a number of celebrities started their family history with professional help to really identify some questions they had about their family history, why they were interested in their family history. In, I think, the most entertaining episode of the series, Danny Dyer's, he exclaims, "It's crazy. The matter of fact is, I'm a direct descendant of royalty." Now, I don't yet have connections to royalty. I hope for those, and maybe you do as well. But what might we discover in our family history? We never know when we start out, and apparently millions of us in the UK are connected to royalty. So continue your research. Do think about why you are researching your family history. Do revisit your research from time to time and ask yourself that question again. It may help you focus on another goal or another part of your family tree to explore. And remember, you never know what stories your ancestors might tell. The source material for this talk was gained in part from the internet and from the Radio Times online, radiotimes.com.